Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. I hope you guys are doing well. It is the 13th, which means we only have 12 more days until Christmas Day, and I'm pretty excited about that. I hope you guys are too. Christmas is one of my favorite seasons, so yeah. I have been doing a unboxing my advent calendar series, and if you guys haven't seen that, I'll make sure to link the playlist up above so you guys can go check that out. I've been having a lot of fun with that series. I've been trying out some different teas, some different popcorns, and I have been opening up a beauty calendar from Belk as well, so be sure to go check that out. It's been a lot of fun. But for today's video, we will be doing a kind of a Shein haul mixed with a naughty versus nice type competition. I have 3 items that I bought from Shein, and then I have one thing I bought from Walmart, and then I have one that's just one set of things that are from my personal closet that I have now. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this. I will be posting the options on Instagram, and you guys will be choosing which ones you guys prefer, so I will put in the results at the end of this video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. The 3 categories are Christmas pajamas, sweater, dress slash sweaters, and kind of like dresses slash dressy type category. But yeah, I am looking forward to see what you guys vote as your guys' favorites. But let's get started. Alright, so this is my nice version of the dresses option. This is one I already have owned. I owned this entire outfit since my senior year of college. I did it with a nice little jean jacket, a long sleeve t-shirt, dress, and then this big plaid scarf that I own. I also went in with a little bit of a darker lip just to match the maroon of this, but overall I really like how this looks. I went with knee-high boots with it just because I like the look of knee-high boots. I thought about doing tights underneath, but then I figured that it didn't look too bad without them. This is the outfit. Let's check out the naughty version. Alright, so this is my naughty dress, I guess is what you can call it. I got this dress for my first Shein haul actually, and I really like how it looks on me. It feels right. It kind of felt like with the Christmassy because it's red. Granted, I probably would never wear this to a Christmas party unless it was with a group of my friends. And even then, I probably wouldn't wear this. I'd be more likely to wear the sweater dress option. But I do like how this looks on me. I think it fits really nicely around the booty area. And of course, I always love my good old leather jacket. And yeah, I don't think you can go wrong with this. But I'll do a final spin. Here's what the back. Here's what it looks like without. And yeah. Alright, so this is the nice set of PJs. I got these from Walmart this year. I don't remember how much they were, but I really liked them. They're super soft. They actually have like little hugs on them, and I think it's adorable because there's a bunch of different ones with different like sweaters and like reindeer antlers. This is what it looks like with the hood down. There's like little balls here and like pockets. Because, you know, pockets are great. My only complaint about this is that the arms are too short, but if you've been here for a while, you guys know that my long arms are an issue that I have with a lot of clothing. But yeah, so let's get on to the naughty PJs. Alright, so this is the naughty PJs. I went with a tank top. I think it's supposed to be a crop top. But I personally do not like how crop tops look on me all that much because they usually come down right where my hips are at. I have a very short torso, so like it just doesn't fall right. So that's why I kind of pulled up the pants a little bit higher on my waist, and I think it looks really cute. But yeah. I did my hair in a cute like little bun to make it work, but yeah. So this is my nice sweater. It's actually a new one that I got from Shein. I really like it. I like the color of it. I didn't really have like a primarily white Christmas sweater. I have a lot of red, so I like the fact that this is something a little bit different that I can wear. I just paired it with a pair of black leggings that I have and some fuzzy socks, but overall I like the look of it. The sleeves are again a little short. The hood also went up. Kind of looks a little derpy, but like it doesn't look terrible, I don't think. But you guys will have to let me know what you guys think of it, and yeah, let's get on to the naughty version of the sweater. Alright, so here is my naughty sweater dress. It is kind of tighter. I actually really like how this feels. It's a really good material. I probably would normally wear leggings or like stockings with this underneath this, but I paired them with some knee-high boots, and I really like how it actually came out. I think it looks really good. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. It's just a little bit short, so that's why I kind of considered it in the naughty category, but I like this one a lot. Personally, I think I like this better than the nice sweater option. This just feels like something I'd be more likely to wear going to like a grandparent's house, especially if I had like stockings on underneath. But yeah. Alright, so I posted these on Friday night to my Instagram and Facebook stories, the different pictures, and as I go through each result, I'll show you guys what pictures I posted. So for the PJs, Instagram, it was 56% voted nice, 44% voted naughty. But on Facebook, 67% voted naughty and 33% voted nice. So more people voted on Instagram. So I'm thinking that it might have leaned it enough towards the naughty, but it still was pretty close to being like 50-50, probably votes wise. Same thing for the dress. It was 48% nice on Instagram and 52% naughty, whereas on Facebook it was 67% nice and 33% naughty. So it seems like there was a lot of switches. The only consistent one is the last one, which I also am happy about because my favorite was everybody else's favorite, and that was the sweater dress, the naughty one. On Instagram, it got 75% naughty and the 25% nice, whereas on Facebook it was 33% nice and 67% naughty. So that one, everybody voted naughty. The other two were up in the air, which is kind of how I felt about them too. I like all the different outfits that I had, but overall it wasn't surprising to see those ones being 50-50. Let me know down below which ones surprised you, which ones didn't surprise you, like which votes surprised you and which ones didn't, and which outfit was your favorite. I will be wearing the naughty sweater dress actually tonight on a date night with my boyfriend, so I'm excited about that. We're gonna go see Christmas lights and get dinner, so that's gonna be fun. But I will see you guys tomorrow with an unboxing video. As you guys know, I posted another video today. That was my unboxing one, so I will link it up above. If you guys don't follow me on any social media, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. On Instagram, it is Miss_Jenna D_. Facebook is Miss_Jenna D, and on Twitter, it's Jenna D Miss. I try to post polls like this on my Instagram, so if you guys want to be included in the next one, if you guys want to be able to vote, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Besides that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow with an unboxing video. Love you guys. Bye.